Tired of cramped indoor drying racks taking up all your living space? Instantly upgrade your laundry routine with the massive Crystal's heavy-duty 50-meter rotary washing line. It includes a solid steel ground spike for quick and secure lawn mounting. Engineered with a premium, rust-resistant powder-coated steel frame and mould-proof PVC-coated lines, this durable era is built to handle the heavy loads and survive the elements for years to come. Look at that massive capacity. 4 robust umbrella-style arms pull open smoothly to reveal an incredible 50 meters of line space. The ultra-smooth rotary design spins freely in the wind to dry your clothes significantly faster. Plus, this complete value bundle even includes 24 durable high-grip clothes pegs, so you can start drying right out of the box. When the laundry is done, the entire mechanism collapses flat down against the pole in a matter of seconds. Just slide on the included thick, weather-resistant winter cover to keep your lines perfectly clean and pristine all year round. Click the link to add this premium Crystal's Rotary Era bundle to your cart today.